In this video, we're gonna make a Spam Wellington. I know, that sounds nuts. We're using Hawaiian Sweet Crescent Rolls, cheese, Spam, eggs, and of course, classic Aloha Shoyu. This is such an easy, delicious breakfast sandwich. I just love the crack of that can. Go ahead and slice them up, whatever thickness you want. We're gonna cut them in half anyway once we get them cooked. For me, Spam is already salty enough, so I don't add any butter or anything extra into the pan, especially knowing I'm gonna add this right here. We use the classic Aloha Shoyu in here. We didn't have a ton of Aloha Shoyu left, but this was a perfect amount to cover all of our Spam. And that's the most important thing. You just wanna make sure that it's evenly coated and then just let it cook. And you know what? We just love that sizzle right there. Go ahead and turn them over just to make sure that it's evenly cooked on both sides and the Aloha Shoyu gets in all of the Spam. Next up, crack those eggs. We're just gonna get some eggs right here in this bowl, scramble them up and cook them. This is already looking good. The eggs are cooking, the Spam is done. Got some leftover Spam for later. The cheese is ready to go. Cook the eggs up, but you don't want to scramble them all the way because we want to use chunks of the egg to put into the croissants. All right, so the eggs are ready. We're gonna set them aside and get these crescent rolls going. Once we get them all laid out just like that, we're gonna put our Spam right in the middle, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some egg, and we're gonna put a little bit of cheese on top, and then we're gonna roll them up and put them in the oven. Just put however much cheese you want, however much eggs. This was our first time doing this one, so we were a little bit conservative with this one. Roll them up just like the instructions on the can say. They should look something like this right here, and then get ready to put them in the oven. So just follow the instructions on the can. The crescent rolls come in different sizes, so they're gonna have different cooking times. Look at that right there. How good does that look? And it's so easy. Think about how fun this would be to make with your kids at home, or if you're hosting guests for a football game, some kind of a special event. This is just literally grab and go, fun, different, and absolutely delicious. So we want to see what it looks like on the inside. That looks good to us. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. All we do is bring you Aloha Shoyu recipes.